This video is designed to be a revision video, so it's going to be a fast-paced walkthrough. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. In this video, I'm going to get a passing grade 4. Let's get straight into it. Write 0.27 as a fraction. So that's 27 out of 100. Write 2/5 as a decimal. 2/5 is 4/10, so that's 0.4. And 0.35 as a percentage, we times it by 100 and we get 35%. Simplify fully. 1x add 4x is 5x. 5 times 2 is 10w. Simplify 2m divided by m gives you the answer 2. Y times y times y is y to the power of 3. Here's a quadrilateral. Write down the letter of the obtuse angle, that is C. The acute angle is D. And how many lines of symmetry does it have? 0. 1 lettuce costs £1.29. How much do 7 of these lettuces cost? Well, 7 times £1.29 is £9.03. 5 cucumbers cost £6.40 in total. What do 2 of these cucumbers cost? £6.40 divided by 5 is £1.28, and £1.28 times 2 gives you the answer £2.56. A company sells 3 types of bottles. Pictogram shows how many bottles they sold in 1 week. So this equals 20 bottles. So plastic is 100, glass is 40, and steel is 125. The company sold more plastic than glass. How many more? So that's 100. Take away 40 equals 60. The company sells each steel bottle for £17.50. How much money did they make from selling these that week? So that's 125 times £17.50, which gives you the answer £2,187.50. Complete the statement. AB to something is 5 to 1. So A to B is 5 squares. So we need a line which is 1 square, which is there. So AB to DC. On the centimetre grid, draw a rectangle the same area as shape ABCD. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These two make 1, 9. These two make 1, 10. So we need any rectangle which has 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Any shape, anywhere, 10 squares. 7. Here is an accurate drawing of an equilateral triangle. So if it's equilateral, we know all 3 are the same. By measuring, work out the perimeter. So the perimeter, if we measure at one angle, it's 7.4 centimetres. Depending on the size you've printed it, we times that by 3 and we get the answer 22.2. There are 56 cubes in a box. The cubes are green, red, blue or white. 17 are green. There are equal number of red, blue and white. So if we take away the 17 from 56, it gives us 39, which must be red, blue or white. 39 divided by 3 gives us 13 red. 24 more cubes are added to the box. So we now have 56, add the 24. So we've now got 80 cubes. The probability that a green is picked is 0.4. So 0.4 times 80 means that there were 32 greens now. Now we originally had 17 greens, so 32 take away 17 means we have 15 more. Quick interruption. I've made a free checklist of the 100 skills you need to learn to get a grade 4 and pass foundation GCSE maths. You just print it, tick the skills you know, circle the ones you don't know, and suddenly you've got a clear step-by-step plan to get to a grade 4. To grab it, click the first link in this video's description now, and I'll send you the 100 skills checklist for free. Alright, back to the video. An electric car uses 1 unit of electricity to travel 3 miles. 1 1 unit of electricity costs 50 pence. Work out the cost to travel 270 miles. 270 divided by 3 gives me 90. And 90 times 0.5, 50 pence is 0.5 pounds, is 45 pounds. 10A. Lima buys 2 metres of linen at £8.50 per metre. She also buys 5 metres of cotton and the total cost is £38. So she bought 2 lots of £8.50, which is £17. The total cost was 38. So 38 take away 17 means that the rest of it cost £21. Now that was 5 metres, so 21 divided by 5 is £4.20 for 1 metre. Buttons cost 65p each. The greatest number of buttons Lima can buy with £5 is 7. She says the greatest I can buy with £10 is 14 because £10 is double 5. Is she correct? Well, if she bought 14, it would be 14 times 0.65, which gives me £9.10. If she bought 15 at 0.65, that would cost £9.79. So no, she can buy 15. Here's a table for the values y equals 3x plus 1. Draw the graph. So when x is 1, y is 4. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 2, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 10. And when x is 4, y is 13. Now join these with a ruler. Work out the value when x is 2.5. So we know that y equals 3x plus 1. So that is going to be 3 times 2.5, add 1, which gives us y equals 8.5. Question 12. A code has 5 different digits written in order starting with the smallest. The last digit is the only square number. So this one can be the only square number. So that's going to be 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So it has to be one of these. But it tells us the middle is the only even. So it can't be 4. Now these are in order. So this must be the biggest. So it's 9. Now the rest of the numbers have to be odd. So we have the even number in the middle. It can't be 2 because it's in the third space. So that is going to be 4 or 6 or 8. Now we need a number here, so it can't be 8. So this is going to be 7, can be odd. This could be 3 and 5, and this could be 6. 4 numbers have a mean of 10. 3 of the numbers are 5, 8, 9. So we've got 5, 8, 9 and a missing number, and the mean is 10. So we add them up, divide by 4, and we get the mean, which is 10. Working backwards, 10 times 4 is 40. These add up to 22, so the missing number must be 18. Question 14. Rearrange D equals H minus 4 to make H the subject. So if we add 4 to this side and we add 4 to this side, we get H equals D add 4. Here we want to make W the subject, so we times by 3, we times by 3, and W equals 3p. A linear sequence begins 2, 5, 8, 11. Write an expression for the nth term. So 2 to 5 is add 3. Then we put the n, and to get from 3 back to 2, we take away 1. The diagram shows a circle and 3 straight lines. Use one word from each to describe each shaded region. So region A is the segment, and region B is the sector. Work out 2 vectors. 1 add 4 is 5, and 2 add 6 is 8. Question 18. Bag A and B contain counters. Now in bag A, quarter are red. So we have a quarter are red, the rest are blue, so that must be 3/4. In bag B, 3 are white and 2 are green, so that's out of 5. So we have 3 out of 5 white and 2 out of 5 green. 3 out of 5 white, 2 out of 5 green. Work out the probability that 1 is red and 1 is white. So if we go down the red and then the white, we have a quarter times 3/5. A quarter times 3/5 equals 3/20. Before you click off, if Foundation GCSE Maths still feels like this huge confusing topic, I've made something that will help. I've put together a free checklist of the 100 skills you need to learn to get a grade 4 pass in Foundation GCSE Maths. You just print it, tick the skills you know, circle the ones you don't, and straight away you've got a clear step-by-step plan to get that grade 4. To get it, click the 100 skills checklist link in this video's description. Now enter your details and I'll send you the 100 skills checklist for free, so you can start using it today. Thanks for watching.